Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Srijita. Today is Friday. Right now it's 6:42, I believe. We are going to a grocery store. To be specific, we are going to Aldi. Yeah, it's 6:42 p.m. and to be specific, we are going to Aldi. In Arizona we didn't have Aldi there, so this is the first time going to this grocery store. And here you need to carry reusable bags because they are not going to provide any plastic bags or any kind of bags to carry your groceries. You need to get your grocery reusable bags. So I already got mine, and you need to get 25 cent to use their cart, and after use it, if you keep the cart at place, you will get the 25 cent back. I'm going to show you guys that. So it's my first time experience going there, so I'm going to take you guys along. So let's go. Hi guys, we just got back home. After Aldi, we went to Indian grocery store. We got a lot of stuff. I'm going to show you guys that, but before we're going to eat, we got this puff, chicken and egg puff. We're going to have this. Then I'm going to show you guys what I got. So first I'm going to share with you guys what we got from Aldi. So let's start. First thing, I got this Noodles oranges. Then I got green onion, coffee, this mini naan flatbread, 2 packets of shrimp, avocado, onion, cauliflower, potatoes, 2 cauliflowers I got, then a pack of green onion, and I also got 2 packs of chicken. So that's all I got from Aldi. Now I'm going to show you guys what we got from the Indian store. So we got some montoy leaves, then I got some methi leaves, then some mint leaves, then drumsticks. I got 2 eggplants, then mustard oil, then I got this Szechuan chutney. I'm going to give a try to make noodles with this sauce. Let's see. Then I got this Maggi atta noodles, besan, 2 packs of sattu, veg hakka noodles, thick poha. I got the spicy makhana bites. Then I got this potato chips, corn flour, biryani masala. Then I got this rice cracker. I got this crispy fried onions for the biryanis. Then I got maza mango juice. Then I got this mango pickle, gore curry, Then I got son papri. Then I got this digestive sugar-free biscuit. Then I got the straw peanuts, 2 paneer, I got some poppy seed, some mustard seed, and kalonji, that is kalo jeera, and I also got some baking powder. And at the end I got this 2 packs of Fatafat. Childhood memories. Hello, so I'm going to make dinner now. Today's dinner will be Szechuan noodles. So I'm going to use this Ching's veg Hakka noodles, and I'm going to use this Szechuan sauce that I showed in my grocery haul. So I'm going to make chicken and veggie noodles. So let's start. So first I'm going to boil the noodles. For that I have taken water in a pan and bring it to boil. After that I'm going to add the noodles. You can add a pinch of salt into it. I'm not going to do that. Then I'm going to chop up the veggies and chicken. Here I'm using beans, carrots, green onions and mushrooms. After 5-6 minutes, when the noodles will get tender, drain it. Don't overcook the noodles. Now I'm going to add oil into a pan and I'm going to fry the chicken first. I am adding the chicken into the oil and I'm going to add salt and pepper. That's it. And after that I'll take it out and I'm going to add a little more oil into it, and then I'm going to add green onion first. After sauteing it for 30 seconds, then I'm going to add the rest of the veggies and cook it. And here also I'm adding salt and pepper. After the veggies get cooked, I'm going to add the fried chicken in here, and then I'm going to add the Szechuan sauce. Then I'm going to add the boiled noodles and I'm going to add salt and pepper as well. Now mixed it up and have it. We are going to share a plate. This dish came out really good. If you never tried this way, give it a try and let me know. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I really love to read your comments. You guys are awesome. If you guys love to watch my videos and still didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get a notification. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys on my next video very soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.